Vanuatu sits really on the Pacific plate and I think the Australian plate subducts it. So we're in an area of high risk, I guess, for natural disasters, and it makes us resilient because we have to prepare for these things, but we're also well aware, and people here are very connected to the land. And so from our beachfront, from the point, our sandy point, you can look back onto Nguna Island that has 2 dormant volcanoes. I believe Vanuatu has 22 volcanoes, of which 9 are active, 2 underwater. So for people looking for adventure, it's definitely here in Vanuatu, but you can also just come and relax and chill out and snorkel or swim or do all those things that are non-adventurous as well. So it's a great destination for every type of traveller.